This 2002 Land Rover Discovery 4-Door SEAWD SUV features a 4.0L V8 PFI 16 V8-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is white gold with a Bahama beige leather interior. It is covered by a limited warranty. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and temp tags. Buy right off the LOT. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, dual zone climate control, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, leather steering wheel, leather shifter, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, tow package, roof rack, wood trim, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel radio controls, sunroof, moonroof, driver airbag, passenger airbag, keyless entry, security system, ABS brakes, traction control, rear defogger, fog lights, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, cassette, CD changer, wheels, leather interior surface, rear wipers, cup holders, heated mirrors, premium wheels.